In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Penfed Credit Union. We'll walk through the entire process from landing on their site to unlocking your new member benefits, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, head to the Penfed website and navigate to the Join page. This is the starting point for new members. On that page, look for the option to learn how to join and open an account. When you're ready, choose Open a Regular Savings Account. This is important because the regular savings account is what establishes your Penfed membership. Next, you'll be prompted to provide necessary personal information. Enter your details carefully and make sure everything matches your identification. Click into the full name field and type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID to avoid delays in verification. You may also be asked for contact information and other standard identity details. Have your ID handy and double check spelling and addresses before continuing. Now make the $5 minimum deposit. Click the option to fund your new savings account, choose your funding method, and confirm the amount. This $5 deposit isn't a fee. It remains yours and simply opens your membership share account. Some applicants prefer using a connected bank account, others use a card. Either works as long as you complete the initial deposit and agree to the disclosures shown on screen. If you see a second confirmation for the deposit, go ahead and confirm again so it processes successfully. Once your application is approved, you're officially a Penfed member and can access services. You should see a confirmation and receive a member number. Keep that in a safe place. From here, explore the membership benefits section to see what's available to you. Penfed highlights competitive rates, helpful tools, and a wide range of accounts and loans designed to support everyday banking and larger goals. A key point to note, no military affiliation is required. Penfed is open to everyone who meets their membership requirements, so you can join regardless of your background. As a member, you'll have access to financial products like checking and savings accounts, credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, and certificates. Keep in mind that individual products may have their own eligibility criteria and approval processes. Finally, set yourself up for success with online and mobile banking. Enroll for digital access, create a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Download the mobile app to deposit checks, transfer funds, and manage your accounts on the go. That's it. Visit the Join page, open a regular savings account, provide your information, make the $5 deposit, and start enjoying your Penfed membership.